Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to send money from another bank to Revolut. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought I would do a video on it to help people out. Before I get started, I want to say that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. If you have any questions about sending money to Revolut, I recommend that you contact their customer support team. Have you ever wanted to send money to a friend or family member who has a Revolut account? Or maybe you're looking to transfer money from your old bank account to your new Revolut account. If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from another bank to Revolut using a few different methods. I'll also discuss the pros and cons of each method so that you can choose the one that's best for you. Revolut is a popular fintech company that offers a variety of banking services, including a free current account, debit card, and international money transfers. Revolut is a great option for people who want a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. If you're new to Revolut, I recommend that you check out my other videos on the topic. I have videos on how to sign up for Revolut, how to use the Revolut app, and how to add money to your Revolut account. Now, let's get started with how to send money from another bank to Revolut. Method 1. Bank transfer. This is the most straightforward method and can be done through online banking or by visiting your local bank branch. Log into your online banking account and find the option to make a transfer. Enter the details of your Revolut account, including the account number and sort code. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer and wait for the money to arrive in your Revolut account. Pros. Easy to set up. No additional fees. Fast transfer. Cons. Requires you to have an online banking account. May take a few days for the money to arrive in your Revolut account. Method 2. Debit card. This method is also very easy to do and can be done using the Revolut app. Open the Revolut app and tap on the Cards tab. Tap on the Add Card button. Enter the details of your debit card, including the card number, expiry date, and CVV code. Once your card is added, you can use it to top up your Revolut account. Pros. Fast and easy to do. No additional fees. Cons. Your bank may charge you a fee for using your debit card to make an international transaction. You can only top up your Revolut account up to a certain amount per day. Method 3. Online payment services. There are a number of online payment services that you can use to send money to Revolut. Some popular options include TransferWise, PayPal, and Skrill. Sign up for an account with the online payment service of your choice. Link your bank account to your online payment service account. Enter the details of your Revolut account, including the account number and sort code. Enter the amount of money you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer and wait for the money to arrive in your Revolut account. Pros. Fast and easy to do. No additional fees or very low fees. Can be used to send money from almost anywhere in the world. Cons. Some online payment services may charge a fee for using their service. It may take a few days for the money to arrive in your Revolut account. Method 4. Cash deposit. This method is only available for certain Revolut users. If you're eligible, you can deposit cash into your Revolut account at a local partner bank or convenience store. Pros. Fast and easy to do. No additional fees. Cons. Not available for all Revolut users. You may be charged a fee by the bank or convenience store. There are a number of different ways to send money from another bank to Revolut. The best method for you will depend on your individual circumstances.